With over 3 million home inspections completed and tens of thousands of Realtor 5-star Google reviews, Pillar to Post is the most trusted brand in home inspection. As a busy Realtor, we understand that there are many demands on your time. That's why we have created Pillar to Post HomePage with easy-to-use systems specifically designed for you and your client to create a seamless experience. We deliver personalized dashboards for you and your clients so you can move towards close with confidence. They give your clients instant access to all the reports included in their inspection. Their homepage is a digital repository of all your PTP inspections that you can access at any time with a few clicks. These dashboards are another way Pillar to Post's enhanced inspection is helping you deliver your best client experience. Let's look at how it works for your client. HomePage connects your client with vital information after the home inspection. There is no delay in receiving reports as they are uploaded in real time. Reports include the Home Inspection Report, PTP 360, and PTP estimates, as well as added service reports like radon and sewer scope. If your clients opted for a premium or prestige inspection, they would also receive PTP floor plan with measurements for furniture placement and sharing with contractors. And PTP Home Manual, which includes appliance manuals, including age of appliances and their expected life for added peace of mind. They will also receive a notice when an appliance has a safety recall. All of these features make sure your client is getting the full value of the ultimate home inspection experience, all in one place. Your name and contact information are also front and center on their homepage, keeping you top of mind and making referrals to their family and friends a breeze. All your notifications will be sent, letting you know that your client's reports have been added. Just search your client's name, email, or property address, and it will show you the reports they have viewed or not right on your personal dashboard. We have included team capabilities on HomePage if you lead a team or are part of a team. We have included the ability for the transaction coordinator to be included on the reports. You can reach out to your inspector to facilitate this option, or you can invite them from your personal dashboard. Use the Pillar to Post homepage Repair Request Builder feature to select those items in the inspection report that you want to focus on in your negotiations. Use the Repair Request Builder functionality to create a PDF report of those defects you want remediated, and include a cost to repair to help with negotiating your client's home purchase. The Pillar to Post homepage is designed to deliver the best home inspection experience to you and your clients, and helping you keep your transaction on track to close, as the Pillar to Post homepage was designed for busy realtors like yourself. We want to make it easy for you to access your dashboard at any time or on any device. Simply bookmark this landing page or save it on your phone's home screen to access your client inspections. The Pillar to Post homepage is another way Pillar to Post's enhanced inspection is helping you deliver your best client experience.